can press apply and it will be back again. Anybody has any questions? This is a short demo of representation rules. You can have more complex rules as per your project requirements. Okay, is it possible to set a rule based on UDA? Yes, definitely. Let's check it. For example, this wall has some UDA or not. Let's check it. Okay, ISO shop coordinate. Let's check attributes. I have to check the data type, columns, data type, is a string. So let me set it to say hold. Where I'm standing. Sorry, 1 second. I was looking for name. Yeah, V108 we changed to hold. Why it is selecting this wall? And let me change this another. So these are two walls I have made the status as, or you can say ISO ship coordinate. Not a right example, but these are the available UDAs so I'm taking. So let's make all the walls with ISO EQ equal to hold as tubular geometry. Color should be say this color or whatever. Obstruction should be 50%. Head to end of the list. Apply. Okay, I have to move this to because both are globe walls. Now if I apply, yes. So sorry, I told you wrong. The higher the rule upwards, it has more priority because this rule and this rule are overlapping. Both these walls are globe walls. Okay, touch. Okay, sorry, these two. These two are globe wall and also their ISO ship coordinate is hold. So you want this rule, ship coordinate rule, hold rule to be applicable in priority. So you have to move the rule up or down. So if I move them down, both will become this globe wall rule will take the priority. Okay, so this was an example based on UDA. What else? You can make rule based on pseudo attribute also. So any attributes you can make your rule based on. Okay, we have 15 minutes left. I will like to take one more topic if you have no questions. And this is perhaps the last of the topics, which is standard model library. So what is standard model library? Can expression contain multiple rules? Expression contains multiple rules, or a rule can contain multiple filter. Yes, definitely. So you can put expression like or equal to uh, released, something like this. So you can put or condition as many times, or and something like this, and like can say p1 bore greater than 50, something like this, and you can say replace, right? So this become pink, this become blue because this bore is not greater than 50. So it can have multiple UDA filter, definitely. Okay. Any more questions? Somebody speaking? Save the file. Okay. So standard model library, let's go ahead. So standard model library is refers to set of predefined model objects placed in library, which is actually application data world hierarchy. This is maybe developed by your admin and placed in hierarchy for ready-made use. Okay, this can be a combination of different disciplines like piping, equipment, structure. You can make a standard model somewhere in the library, and that can be placed as it is uh, without any parameter. These are non-parametric library. There's a parametric library which is called equipment templates, which we'll see in equipments, but it is non-parametric library. So this is the example of library: application data world, application library area, application library item. For example, pump house they have made. Inside some piping is there, or actually a small pump skid is made or stored in the library, and it can be ready to place, right? So how to create the standard model library is created from general tab. So let me put civil area 01 first, and you can go to general, and you can place standard model. MDB has no sample standard model library. We want to. Okay, so it says you do not have any standard model library data, so it will create for demo purpose. Let me create an application data world. So it actually created some standard objects for demonstration purpose. As I told you, for your project requirements or company requirements, you have to make this library, and that is part of admin course. How to make this, it is not covered here. It is how to place it. That is what is covered here. So where do you want to? So first you have to select a storage zone. Where do you want to store the model? For example, I want to store my model somewhere here. So I will click zone, this particular zone. Okay. Then library found. Okay, library was not found.